Hello friends, welcome to another video on Excel. In today's video, you will going to find a unique trick where if you write the number, you will get the cell highlighted with some color and the borders are appears. Want to know how? Then let's start the video. First, I will remove all the formulas which I have applied, just making it clear rules from entire sheet. Okay. Now what you have to do is you have to just select the cell where you want to highlight. Then click on conditional formatting. Then go for new rule. A dialog box will appear. Click use a formula to determine which cells to format. Then click here. Then select the cell. Here this cell is locked by A and 1. Just press F4 two times. You want to lock only a column $A1, this A1. Okay, then click on format, select the outline. Here this is outline. Click on fill, select the color whichever you want, say OK. Again say OK. Now type 1 2 3. Like this you will get the color while writing the numbers. I hope you found this video a unique and easy to understand. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.